What's up, everybody? I'm here in New York, Central Park, and I just want to say I just got the brand new Sony DCR-DVD650. Just kidding. I got this very old 2005, I think, vintage DVD camcorder. I had an event in New York and I thought it was perfect for it. This is a fun camera to shoot. Like, ever since I got it, I've been enjoying so much filming with it. So I just thought going around New York City, it's really foggy today because of the wildfires in Canada. I just thought it was a great opportunity. So I'm just gonna walk around, show you the footage, and then hopefully I'll convince you to buy one of these, because trust me, it's worth. It's kind of like a point and shoot camera for photography, but it's mostly for videos. But trust me, it's a lot of fun. So without further ado, let's just walk around the city and then let's see what we get. Let's go.